Curvani Booty Drops, yeah, the ones all over your feet claim to lift, firm, and smooth your booty like magic. Sounds amazing, right? But do they actually work, or is it just another overhyped beauty drop? Let's talk about it. Quick disclaimer, everything in this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Now, according to the Amazon listing, Curvani Booty Drops promise to tone, tighten, and give your booty that extra lift using natural ingredients. Sounds great, right? But where's the science? There's not much real evidence, and the Malware Tips article flags the product inside for being a little too vague and possibly misleading. A lot of reviews seem fake or overly positive, and some users report zero difference after weeks of use. So, are Curvani Booty Drops the real deal? Honestly, probably not. They're unlikely to shave your body just by rubbing in a few drops. At best, they might moisturize. At worst, it's just expensive oil in a cute bottle. Tried Curvani yourself? Did it do anything? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more no BS reviews on trending beauty and wellness products.